So this weekend, to get a little practice and improve my coding, I built out a custom viewer for NHL Breakaway, which is the NHL, the National Hockey League's digital collectible offering. If you have the Polygon wallet address that's associated with your Breakaway account, you can input it and see your entire collection, as well as sort it by rarity, by edition number, as well as sorting it alphabetically by player name. And here's the app. Now it auto-loads to my personal collection address because I made it for myself originally. And you can see here all of the different Breakaway highlights that I've collected as a part of this program. A whole bunch here. But what's nice is that you now have the ability to sort it by rarity. So if you click rarity here, it'll put the epic ones first, and then the rare ones next, and then limited, and then all of the core highlights. But you can also sort by edition number, and that'll sort of by this column here. And you can see my lowest edition number is 22 of the Mark Stone Hunt for Stanley 2023 set. And additionally, you can sort alphabetically by player name, and then you can find, and it sorts by first name right now, but you can find any highlight for any of these people. And it shows you all of these details, right? You can, of course, see the color change for the different rarities, but it tells you the set that it's from, the edition, as well as the series, the rarity. When you hover over this, it'll see the description of the highlight, and then if you click play here, it'll expand and it'll show the highlight here in a different view. If I zoom out a little bit, you can see all of the details that are in the list view are also in this sort of card view as well, and you can play the highlight right here. Now this search bar right here will display the current wallet address that you are viewing, the Polygon wallet address that's associated with your Breakaway account. But if you want to input a different one, you don't want to just look at my collection, then you can do so. You can paste in your wallet address here. You click search, and then it will load for a moment here. And then it'll load that wallet address's collection here, and then you can sort that just like you would the previous collection that we were looking at. You'll also see this button right here with this logo. This is the logo for Matic or Polygon, and it'll take you to the the Polygon scan page, the block explorer, for the wallet address that you're currently viewing. Let me show you what I'm talking about. I'm going to click this icon here, and it should open up a new page on Polygon scan that actually shows the transaction details of this account. And if we zoom in here a little bit, you can see all the individual transaction data for these different transactions related to NHL Breakaway. Like if we wanted to look at this transaction where something's going on here with the base expansion pack, we could click here and we can see all the details about that transaction, one of the base packs was burnt and they opened up 3 different highlights here. Pretty cool. Now, it's not exactly easy to figure out what wallet address on Polygon is associated with your account, because right now this is all custodial, right? We just have accounts with NHL Breakaway and we don't have any control over the wallet addresses that are actually holding these assets. Those are all controlled by NHL Breakaway right now, or more likely the Suites team. But you can find your wallet address ID. Now, I originally found it when I was purchasing from the second drop. I asked the support team, like, hey, could you send me along the wallet address that's associated with my account? That might be a way that you can get it. Or additionally, you could go to these contracts on Polygon Scan and sort of remember when you opened the packs or when you purchased the packs, and try to find your wallet address, the one that opened up those the tokens or the highlights that you actually got. That might be a way that you can sort of do it as well. Figure out what your Polygon wallet address is that's associated with your Breakaway account. But I think this is likely something that the Suites team will make more readily available in the future as we get out of this beta phase. But yeah, I just thought I'd share this project, and I'll leave the the domain for this website that I've made below if anyone else wants to poke around, check it out. You do all of these things and view all of these highlights, and it was just a fun project to sort of learn how to play with data that's on the blockchain and make out with custom experiences. If you have any questions about it or have any ideas for future updates that I could add to this, let me know. The best way to get a hold of me is to DM me on Twitter and follow me there. You can check out the link in the description of this video, or maybe I'll post it in the other places that I'm going to share this video as well. Cheers, everyone.